This is a fit for a 2018 and beyond Subaru WRX 4-door with factory fixed point connections. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Podium WingBar EVO base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar EVO load bars in black, 47 inches in length, the 460R Rapid Podium foot pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and the proper fasteners. This is part number KIT 3131. The load bars are in a fixed position at 28.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. There is no interference with full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.